So right behind me is a very beautiful large barred owl. He's up in this pine tree right up in my front yard. So barred owls actually get their name from the bars on the pattern of their coat, which has bars on them, and also they can camouflage very, very well into their habitat. They actually screech very, very loud, and at night you can hear them over in the woods right next to my house. You can hear them yelling at each other at night, which is actually quite cool. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and just reminding you, get out and stay out.